Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube to the video you want. Click play so you see the player controls. This is where display size changes live. Once you have controls visible, choose between the theater icon for wider view and the full screen icon to fill the display. If you're on mobile, tap the video once to reveal icons and rotate device for landscape. Make sure to note the settings gear. It lets you change resolution, which affects perceived size and sharpness. Now modify how the player scales and renders content. Click the gear then quality and pick a higher resolution if you want a clearer, larger image. Lower bandwidth may force smaller sizes. Once done, switch theater mode for a wider embedded view or hit full screen to occupy the whole monitor. This changes aspect handling. On phones, rotate to landscape and pinch to zoom if supported. For smart TVs or casting, use the remote or cast controls to enforce full screen on the target display. Finish by checking aspect and playback. Make sure the video's aspect ratio matches your screen so it doesn't letterbox. Choose crop or stretch in advanced apps only when acceptable. If the picture looks fuzzy after maximizing, increase quality or test your connection speed because auto-scaling lowers resolution when bandwidth is limited. If size toggles fail, reload the page, restart the app, or clear cache. These steps often reset player state and restore proper full-screen behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.